Welcome to the Post Factory Client Portal. Our client portal is your all-in-one hub to manage your profile, upgrade or downgrade subscriptions, connect with your account manager, track your orders, and more. After logging in, we kindly ask you to select the service you are interested in from the menu on the left and proceed with your purchase. If you already completed this step, you can skip ahead. Next, please complete onboarding questionnaire. This step is essential for us to start creating content tailored to your needs. Once you have submitted your questionnaire, our team will prepare your content and deliver it within 5 business days. If you have any question or need help at any point, simply click on the ticket option to create a new ticket with your message. Your account manager will respond as quickly as possible. In the billing section, you can view and track invoices, upgrade, downgrade, pause or cancel subscriptions, or change payment methods. In referrals section, you will find your unique referral link. Share it with someone who might be interested in our services. For every successful referral, you will earn 10% of their first purchase, and this amount can be used as credit for our services or transferred to your bank account. You can track all your referral activity right from this page. At the bottom of the portal, you will find the scheduling and analytics section. Here you can access the scheduling platform to add or adjust content, change dates for already scheduled content, and more. Thank you for choosing Post Factory. We are here to make your experience seamless and productive.